Hello viewers of Happy Minds Academy. Today let's learn one simple phonic rule. Many kids, when they encounter words with IE or EI, they get confused and do make spelling errors. To avoid this confusion, there is a simple rule. Let's look into this. I before E except after C. I repeat. I before E except after C. Now, let's look into the words. I before E. Thief. 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 Chief. 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 Friend. 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 Now, brief. 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 Hygiene. 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 In these words, we wrote IE. Now, let's look into the words except after C. Receive. 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 Deceive. 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 Receipt. 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 So this simple rule avoids confusion in kids and reduces their spelling errors. I repeat, I before E except after C. To know more such rules, please subscribe to Happy Minds Academy channel.